Hey everybody, it's Neil. I want to show you this LED projector I got. It's tiny, it's small, it's right here. This is what it looks like here. I kind of got it configured already. I wanted to just get it on my network. All you have to do is basically turn it on, and then on the screen it says to connect to a certain IP address. You connect to that IP address, and then from there you can go ahead and change the network on it. So I changed my network. So I'm on my network. And I was able to set up screen mirroring already. I was just playing around with it. And so I can watch a YouTube video here. You can see it's got sound on it too. So let me just mute it. I don't know if I can mute it from here or I can do it from this. Okay, so I can turn it down. And let's go ahead and look at it here. You can see, my camera's in front of it. Look at how good quality that is. I have it just going on my wall here, and I have the light on in the room. I can turn the light off. I have the windows open too. But there with the light off, it's even better. It'll get a nice big screen and it looks good. It's really sweet. That's a nice quality. So that's really cool. So you can kind of hear a little bit of it back there. I didn't completely mute it. There we go, we muted it now. Okay, so we can do that. So we can do screen mirroring, we've proven that. So, and if we go up and down, we can do that, and we can do whatever. I can see all my stuff. So let's go ahead and see what else we can do. So let's see, I think we push this button here. Ooh, I have to aim it towards that. Is it this? Let me see what else we have here. Because it says there's other things we can do on the menu. We can do movie, music, settings, and things like that. I don't know if I have to disconnect my phone from it first. Let me do that. So how do I turn off screen mirroring? Screen mirroring, stop mirroring. Okay. Ooh. Let me turn this off. Okay, so now I've stopped it. And so you can see here all the different settings and things like that on it. So let me see if we go back. There, so we can connect it up to HDMI as well and different stuff on there. So we have different settings on there, UDisc, HDMI. I guess those are the two different things. We can have it from a disc or from HDMI. And I just did the wireless, so that's what we did on that one there. So that is pretty cool. And then we can do projection, picture set, sound set. You can do all sorts of different things on here. Bluetooth, and pretty cool. So you can do anything you can do on your phone, you can send up on there. So that is cool, and that's all kind of wireless. Or you could, if we look at this thing here, it also has like a focus that it can do on there. But you can plug it in there with the USB-C to connect to your stuff, or a little flash card if you have that, HDMI here, and a USB and headset. So you have all the different ports on there. This thing is nice and light and good. That is super bright in my face, but you get the idea. So you can do pretty much anything on there. So I don't know if there's an upgrade. Over here, upgrade. Oh, I'm already up to date, so that part's good. So pretty cool. That's the back button. But let's see what other stuff we have here. Projection. So it'll even do keystone correction. I guess that's if you put it in an angle or something like that, you can do that. I guess mine's pretty straight right now, but I could aim it up, and then if it has some weird thing, it'll keystone correct it. So there we go. So lots of different settings on there, and a nice small projector. Can take it anywhere with you. That is great. So I'm gonna say this one's awesome. Thumbs up for sure.